how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. So if at the end of this you found this open and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to block someone on TikTok, all you need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok application. Now, you need to access the public profile of the TikTok user you want to block. Click on the share button at top right. Then come here from the menu that pops, click on block. Then click on block from the pop. This is going to block this particular user from your TikTok account. Now, to unblock someone or anyone on TikTok, go ahead and open the TikTok app again. Click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then you have access to your TikTok profile page. Click on three lines at top right. Locate and click on Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down until you get to Visibility. Under Visibility, click on Blocked Accounts. Here you have access to all the accounts you have blocked on TikTok. To unblock any of these accounts, just click on Unblock. Then you should see Unblocked. So repeat this on all other accounts you want to unblock on TikTok. Like that. And after that, you are good. So that's exactly how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.